Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Costa, if you don't know that already. So today's video is going to be on the Boxycharm Base Box. I uploaded the premium box this month last Thursday, so you can go ahead and check that out. I'll put the link down in the description. But this will just be the base box. So let's just get started. So first thing in the box is this Hank and Henry Living in Color eyeshadow palette. So this is just a fairly simple eyeshadow palette. It has only about 9 shades in it. Overall, I'm not really impressed with it. I did use it on my eyes today and the pigment is good, but just the overall like blendability of the shadows wasn't that great. So this is what my eyeshadow looks now, and I feel like it was just a bit hard to blend that like brown shade into the orange. Now the shimmer shade was definitely nice, no complaint there, but it definitely is those matte shades that I had a bit of trouble blending with. I think I definitely would have preferred to get the other eyeshadow that people got in their box. I think it was a Boxycharm made eyeshadow palette. I do like Hank and Henry. I've been wanting they have like these green beauty sponges. I would have definitely preferred to get that. But yeah, I would have definitely preferred to probably get that Boxycharm palette over this one, because it's just very, I don't know, it's very basic. Doesn't really give me like a wow factor or anything. And yeah, so this goes for $27. Not sure if that would be a good price really for 9 shades. You're honestly gonna get better quality if you just go to Morphe and get, what is it, like their 35 pan palettes, and they're what, 30 and 40 bucks. So that is what I think about that. Next in the box is a Becca Ultimate Lip Definer. I got the shade Toasty. So it's a lip liner. It's a light or like a soft pink shade. I do have it on my lips now. I do like the overall color. Doesn't exactly match much with the eyeshadow palette that was in the box. But as far as quality goes, I do like this lip liner. One thing that kind of confuses me though is that it's a, you know, a twist up liner, but it has like a sharpener thing on the end. So I guess like if you do want the liner to be sharp very briefly, because it's like a cream formula, you could sharpen it up with this end. And then there's also this piece right here, which I think is just to kind of, I guess, blend it all over your lips. I used it briefly, but with a lip liner I don't think it's necessary. So, or maybe this could be something used to sharpen the edges of the lip liner. I'm not 100% sure, but I just used it to blend the color all over my lips. So this goes for $18. Definitely on the pricier side of what I would pay. I think with lip liners, I tend to go towards more of like Wet n Wild, because they're obviously like a cheap brand. And it's just a lip liner, so I don't really care to spend too much money on a lip liner, especially if you're just gonna put like lip gloss or lipstick over it. Yeah, I did put the Fenty, what is this, the Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. I did place that on top of the lip liner, and I do like the way it looks. Definitely would have went with a different eyeshadow color scheme, but I was just using what we had in the box. Next in the box is a Sutra Beauty. It's a mini ceramic curling iron. So it has a cool tip, so where you can hold the iron without burning your fingers. So it is a mini one, and we've been getting, I think, a lot of hair tools lately, which I've just been throwing them all in like my future giveaway box. And I'm think I'm going to do the same with this as well, because I already do have a curling iron and I just don't need it, you know. It's just, yeah, I don't need it. I don't curl my hair often, so, and this is a mini one, which I don't need, so yeah, somebody else can put this to use. So this goes for $50, which the curling irons and flat irons tend to usually go for high prices anyways. $50 for a curling iron though, and it's a mini one. I'm not 100% sure if that's necessarily worth it, especially since it's like a mini. But if this was like full size, then sure, $50 I guess wouldn't be too bad for a curling iron. But yeah, I think I would pay like $25 for something like this, but nothing more than that. And it does come in a little case, like most of the other products that we've gotten in boxes before. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick that in the future giveaway box. Next in the box is a Chella Beauty tweezers. These are definitely different than any tweezers that I've had before, and I have used I think it was like a brow definer or something like that from Chella Beauty, and I did like that for defining the brows. So it looks like they tend to aim towards that section of the face, I guess the brows. The only thing I don't 100% understand is like this circular piece on the tweezers. On the website it says it's supposed to help with like grip, but I mean, I've never had an issue with grip on tweezers, but I don't know, maybe people have. I don't know if like maybe people with like arthritis or something, this might be better for them. I'm really just throwing that out there. I have no idea. It is a fine tweezer, that's really all I can say about it. So it goes for $20, which, why do tweezers go for so much? Like, I really don't understand. Like, you can get yourself a good tweezer at Walmart, probably for like $5, maybe even less. You don't have to spend $20 on something that's just gonna pluck your hairs. Like, I don't understand the price. But yeah, that was in the box. I will probably use it, but like not my favorite tweezer. So lastly in the box is something that I am excited about because I have used a similar one before. It is the Farmacy Very Cherry Clean Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm. I think I used their original cleansing balm, and I'm assuming it's the same thing, except maybe it's like cherry scent. Let me see. I can't really smell anything through the lid, but it does come with a scooper, which I don't think the one I had last time did, but that might have been because it was like a mini size. So to help not like spread bacteria into the, what is this, balm. And ever since trying that last Farmacy balm product, I have definitely gravitated more to using oils or balms to remove my makeup instead of using wipes. Because if you don't know, I guess wipes are kind of bad for the environment. I don't know necessarily why. I think they do have bleach on them or something, but so if anything to keep me like a little bit more eco-friendly, I'm all for. But this is 3.4 fluid ounces, and this goes for $34. It says made exclusively for Boxycharm, but I'm pretty sure they have sold this on Sephora. Am I wrong on that? I'm pretty sure I've seen this before. So I don't know exactly what's different compared to what Boxycharm is giving us and what they had on their site. I know they're sold out, but yeah. Anyways, I know this will be good. Excited to use it. Works very well. So that's it for this box. So the total value was $149, which I believe they promise, I think it's like $135 for the base box, and you spend $25 every month, so not bad. You definitely got your value. I think the base box actually ended up being more expensive or more value than the premium box, which obviously like isn't right, but that happened. And overall, I wasn't really excited for this box. The only thing that I really cared for was the balm, and the lip liner's okay, but I could have definitely lived without it. The eyeshadow palette is, I don't know if it's like subpar, if that's the word that I want to use, but not something I would have bought on my own. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.